Want to know how to do this fluffy fried dumpling? Well, stay tuned. This is always my go-to and my favorite. So we use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, quarter teaspoon of salt, and about 2 tablespoons or 25 grams of softened butter. Then we work with hands, working in the butter in the flour to make sure we create a sun-like texture to the flour. This is easy to do. Just keep rubbing till you don't feel any more butter between your fingers. And this is what it's supposed to look like. You can see the fat between the flour. Yes? Have a good look at it. Right. So then we use cold water. And cold water is to help that butter to stay in and not melt. So cold water, we make that dough. It is nicely. You take about 5 minutes to make the dough. Don't overwork the flour because then we're going to activate the gluten and it's going to be a bit tough. And we don't want that. I did not add any sugar to this dumpling because I didn't want to. But you can add 2 tablespoons of sugar if you'd like a bit of sweeter dumpling. Then I use table towel or tablecloth. You can use these disposable paper towel just to create moisture around the flour. It's just to keep the dough from drying out. I will leave it to rest for about 20 minutes. Then I make myself a cup of ginger and lemon water for the lots of benefits. Now we check for softness. And this is the softness. We just look at that. The dough is just nice and soft, but it's not sticky. Now to make our dumpling. We just use our fingers to form a little balls and then we press down on the top. It is so simple. Now I'm going to demonstrate another one. Use our fingers, create that little round ball. You can also put them on the counter and roll them around. I've seen other people do that. Doesn't work for me, but this is how I do it. You can also try that method. And what I did was create a variety because, I'm cooking for my kids as well and I want it to be fun. So this is one of the next thing. Food should be a little bit more fun, Everything is not so serious. This is the oil. This is a trick to checking the temperature. Check for little bubbles at the bottom of the wooden spoon and then you know that the oil is hot enough. Add the dumplings in and then we just make sure that we don't burn them. So you keep the flame at about a low to medium so you don't burn them because you don't want them cook on the outside and raw in the middle. You want these dumplings to cook. Fried dumpling, you want them nice and fluffy. I always like a nice fluffy dumpling. Every morning, if I'm cooking breakfast, this is always my go-to. But I do make other breakfasts. But fried dumpling is one of my favorites. Fritters too. Just leave it in the comments which one is your favorite. And if there's any other way that you would make these dumplings, let me know in the comments. Then, this is how it looks in the middle. Let me know what you think. If it's fluffy enough or should I have used another method to get it more fluffy? Let me know. And which is your favorite? If you like fritters best or these type of fried dumpling. This is my ingredients list. You can pause the reads. Now, this is what I've created. Pak choy with cabbage and my fried dumpling. Guys, remember to like, share, and leave a comment. I appreciate it. Follow for more. Look at that. I'm telling you. Them fried dumpling was so delicious. I couldn't stop eating. And I did not fry enough. Thank you for watching. Bye.